kayong mga Kristiyano, kayong lahat, hindi po lang ang pastor, okay? Kung ikaw man ay pastor, district superintendent, kung sino man, sinasabi ko sa inyo, we call this a living sacrifice to God. Hindi ka, ang priority mo is the gospel. Ang priority mo ang iglesia. Kung ikaw ay isa sa mga leader ng iglesia, kung ikaw ay isa manggagawa, ang iglesia ni Kristo, I mean, the church of Jesus Christ that He built, okay? And when Jesus said, upon this rock I will build my church. And how can how can we establish the kingdom of God and build the kingdom of God within the church if we ourselves are not able to be a living sacrifice to God? Ang importante po, tayo'y buhay na manggagawa ng Panginoon. And the only way for us to be buhay is that for us to be holy and acceptable to God, no longer attracted to the worldly pleasure, transform and renewed mind, obedience to the perfect will of God. Yan po. Pwede nyo screenshot yan, pwede nyo kunan ng picture yan, and paste it on to your refrigerator. Kasi mahalaga po yan. Yan po ang kung i-unpack natin yung kalooban ng Panginoon sa buhay natin, tayo maging totoong tagapaglingkod niya. Huwag po natin kakalimutan, tayo'y tinalaga bilang isang tunay na Kristiyano, hindi para magpakunwari, tayo maging totoo. Totoo, which means living sacrifice to God.